Hello guys, welcome back to my new videos. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and families and all. So let's start the video. So you can see this picture beautiful. It's also very beautiful, the kitchen, and you can see uh, the old plants and all the small beautiful decoration, very good looking. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the up of the cupboard you can see the lights, and the wall also you can see the lights, beautiful lights and all. This is also very beautiful. You can see the 8 ball pull down ball. It is a very beautiful setup of computer and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the bed you can see, and the lamp you can see, and the down floor you can see beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bathroom and all. The up lamp you can see beautiful. The mirror you can see, and they're washing, bathing beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration, black color lamp and all. The curtain you can see beautiful dark color room. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small plants, and the window you can see outside expensive, not but very, it is normal, it is good only. You can see the purple color light coming down from the bed, and up you can see the plants, small plants, and the white color wall beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the 2 lamps up, and the side you can see the kitchen, and the up you can see small house and all, and the outside also a beautiful place. This is also very beautiful. You can see the roof decoration lights and all, beautiful lights and all, very looking very good, also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the cupboard up, you can see the cupboard and all, looking very good. It is kitchen. It's also very good. You can see the setup of computer. You can see the setup, and the side you can see screen beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the laptop. It is a normal room. Very beautiful, but it's also very beautiful, looking very good, and it's also set up the computer and all, looking very beautiful, good looking dark room. It's also very beautiful. You can see the clothes there for changing. It's also very good, and the decoration is very beautiful, nice, expensive. It's also very, yeah, there you can see the level up. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Wait for the next video. Love you all.